Okay, to get started in Adobe After Effects, we are going to import over here on the left, and we're just going to right click right here, import, and then go to File, or you can drag and drop things in as well. So we're going to go in here and we're going to choose the mountain illustrator scene, which is all divided up into layers. I'm going to import it as a composition. And then I'm going to double click to open the composition. Now it's very finicky as far as scaling. I'm using my fingers on my mouse pad and it scales quite big. So I'm just going to leave it like this. You can change it to 100%, 50%, and also change it here as well as far as the scaling. I'm also going to import. There's another way to import. Oops. You can open up your file finder or file explorer and you can grab your file this way and import it and just copy it over. Make sure it's composition as well. So I've got my background and then I have my man on another one. So what I'm going to do is double click on this guy. It's going to open a separate file. And then I am going to just copy and paste him, drag over him, make sure you're on the arrow tool, copy. And then I am going to go into the scene and I'm going to paste him at the top of the scene. So now I have all my background and my character all in one. So you have to pay attention to how far it's zoomed in here. The layers here. If your screen gets out of whack, you can go to standard and say reset and it will reset it for you if like your windows get mixed up here. But right now I have a mountain scene and I've copied and pasted my man into the mountain scene. So that it's all on one. Otherwise, it'll just isolate your man and you or your character and you won't be able to see it interact with the scene. So I just opened up each composition and then I copied and pasted him over into my mountain scene there. So right now I just have them, all the layers, the Illustrator file layers are all there for me. And then I have the timeline that goes next to them. So from here, I just have to really pay attention to make sure I'm on the correct tools, that I am going to be adjusting the correct parts of the image, and everything is pretty divided up here because I previously laid it all out in Illustrator on different layers. So from here, I'm just going to file and save as. This can be a really huge program. It uses a lot of memory to run it. So I'm going to call this Monica Animation Final and press save. And now I have them all kind of stuck together.